Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 5 best AliExpress dash cam under $30. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the dash cam are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the dash cam front and rear, the ultimate companion for your journeys on the road. With its cutting-edge features and advanced technology, this state-of-the-art dashcam is designed to capture every moment, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Equipped with both a front and rear camera, our dashcam records everything happening in and around your vehicle, providing you with a comprehensive view of the road ahead and behind. The dashcam front camera captures stunning full HD 1080p videos, delivering crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions. Thanks to its exceptional night vision capability, you'll never miss any important details, whether it's day or night. The rear camera ensures that your back is covered as well, capturing any incidents or unexpected events happening behind your vehicle. Say goodbye to blind spots and parking mishaps with the assistance of our rear camera. And with the split-screen display, you can view both camera feeds simultaneously, providing you with complete context and a sense of security while on the road. Accidents can happen in an instant, but with the dashcam front and rear, you'll have solid evidence to protect yourself in case of disputes or insurance claims. But that's not all. Our dashcam front and rear is packed with additional features, including loop recording, G-sensor technology, and a built-in microphone for capturing detailed audio. Installing our dashcam is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design and easy-to-follow instructions. So why wait? Upgrade your driving experience today with the dashcam front and rear. Dashcam front and rear, your reliable witness on the road. Introducing the LF9 Pro Smart Car Dash Cam, your ultimate companion for a safe and secure driving experience. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the LF9 Pro is designed to capture every moment on the road, ensuring your peace of mind. The LF9 Pro Smart Car Dash Cam is equipped with an advanced dashcam Smart Car DVR camera. Its compact size ensures it won't obstruct your view while driving. Plus, installing it is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. Stay connected at all times with the LF9 Pro's Wi-Fi app connectivity. Simply download the dedicated app on your smartphone, and you can easily access your dash cam's footage, adjust settings, and even share videos with friends and family. The LF9 Pro records stunning 1080p videos, ensuring that every detail is captured in vivid clarity. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape or critical evidence during an incident, you can trust the LF9 Pro to deliver exceptional video quality. The LF9 Pro features advanced night vision technology, allowing it to capture clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Never miss a moment, no matter the time of day. Your safety is our top priority. The LF9 Pro Smart Car Dash Cam is equipped with a built-in G-sensor, which detects sudden movements or impacts. In the event of an accident, the dashcam automatically locks and saves the footage, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or legal purposes. The LF9 Pro Smart Car Dashcam, the perfect companion for your journeys, ensuring your safety and capturing memorable moments along the way. With its easy installation, smart features, and superior video quality, you can ride with confidence knowing that the LF9 Pro has your back. LF9 Pro Smart Car Dashcam, drive smart, drive safe. Introducing the Asawin S35DW Wi-Fi dash camera, the perfect companion for your car journeys. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Asawin S35DW is designed to provide you with a safe and convenient driving experience. Equipped with full HD 1080 pixels resolution, the Asawin S35DW captures every detail of your drive, ensuring crystal clear video recordings. And with its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily access and download recorded videos to your smartphone for effortless playback and sharing. The Asawin S35DW comes with an intuitive smartphone app that allows you to effortlessly control the camera settings, view real-time footage, and manage recordings. Whether you want to adjust the recording resolution or enable parking mode, all it takes is a few taps on your smartphone. With its advanced night vision technology, the Asawin S35DW ensures exceptional visibility even in low-light conditions. You can rely on its superior night vision capabilities to capture important details, such as license plates or road signs, even during nighttime drives. The Asawin S35DW features an auto-driving recorder that starts recording as soon as you start your car. This ensures that every crucial moment on the road is captured, providing you with valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Designed with aesthetics in mind, the Asawin S35DW boasts a sleek and compact design that blends seamlessly with any vehicle's interior. The Asawin S35DW Wi-Fi dash camera is the ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Upgrade your driving experience today with Asawin. Visit our website or contact us for more information. Asawin S35DW Wi-Fi dash camera. Drive with confidence, knowing you have a trusted companion by your side. Introducing the wireless car rearview cam. Say goodbye to blind spots and hello to safer, more convenient driving. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this wireless rearview camera is designed to provide you with a 170-degree wide-angle view of what's behind your vehicle. Our rearview cam utilizes Wi-Fi technology, allowing you to connect it effortlessly to your iPhone or Android device. No more messy cables or complicated installations. The 170-degree wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the rear, ensuring that blind spots are minimized. Enjoy a clear, distortion-free image of the surrounding environment. Perfect for parking or reversing, the wireless car rearview cam provides real-time video feedback, making it easier than ever to maneuver your vehicle confidently. Equipped with high-quality sensors, this camera delivers excellent performance even in low-light conditions. Drive with peace of mind, knowing that your visibility remains uncompromised day or night. It works seamlessly with both 12 volts and 24 volts vehicles, making it suitable for cars, trucks, RVs, and more. No matter the size or type of your vehicle, our rear view cam has got you covered. Whether you're parking in tight spaces, backing up in crowded areas, or simply want an extra layer of safety on the road, the wireless car rear view cam is the perfect solution. Upgrade your driving experience with the wireless car rear view cam today. Stay safe, confident, and in control. Wireless car rear view cam. See what's behind you like never before. Introducing the revolutionary 3-channel dash cam, your ultimate companion on the road. Whether you're an everyday commuter, a ride-share driver, or an adventure seeker, our 3-channel dash cam is designed to capture every moment, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Installing our dash cam is quick and easy. Simply attach the 3 lenses, one for the front windshield, one for the rear windshield, and one for the interior of your vehicle, with their adjustable mounts. With its advanced video recording capabilities, our dashcam captures crystal clear footage in full HD resolution, so you never miss any important details even in low-light conditions. The rear lens provides a wide-angle view of the road behind you, ensuring you have a complete picture of what's happening around your vehicle. The interior lens is perfect for monitoring passengers, such as ride-sharing customers, ensuring their safety and your peace of mind. But it doesn't stop there. Our 3-channel dashcam comes equipped with a 24-hour parking monitor feature. Even when your vehicle is parked, the parking monitor keeps an eye on your surroundings. It automatically activates and records any motion or impact, providing you with crucial evidence in case of accidents or vandalism. And let's not forget about style. Our 3-channel dashcam features a sleek and compact design that blends seamlessly with any vehicle interior. But don't just take our word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers are already enjoying the benefits of our 3-channel dashcam. Get your 3-channel dashcam today and experience the peace of mind you deserve. Visit our website or call now to place your order. 3-channel dashcam, your road safety companion. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.